Hi, my name is Joda Vilasilia. I am 39 years old. I am a widow. I have 5 kids, 2 girls and 3 boys. Their age is 15, 12, 11, 8, and 5. I am graduate associate hotel restaurant and management. I am ex-abroad from Saudi Arabia. I do take care of 7 years old girl and newborn baby. Every day I do prepare the foods of her kids to the school. After that, I will take care of the baby. I take a bath, the baby, then feed the baby. When the baby is done, I will clean house, cook food for the lunch, wash the clothes, and ironing. After that, we're going to the house of my madam's mother to clean their house, and I've been working in Saudi for 1 year and 7 months. If you hire me as your housemate, I do promise to follow your rules and regulation. I will also promise not to use my cell phone while working. I'll be honest, and you can trust me all the time. That's all. Thank you.